Another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy, around is my kitchen, and that's Teddy Bear over there. And you guys can say hi to Michael behind the camera. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hey everyone.
And anyways, I wanted to say, guys, that the reason why I haven't been so much on is because I've been feeling a bit off the weather. Maybe a cold, I don't know, but I haven't feeling too good. But now I'm here. I was doing little videos. So anyways, today I found this is from Christmas. Remember, Michael, we got this?
Yeah.
And we're supposed to make sugar cookies and all that. You better like back off.
I'm backing up, backing up.
You gotta stop getting so close, Michael. I don't like that. Makes me nervous. Anyway, then you make me look all ugly. You know, I have
You're beautiful.
Circles around my eyes, not feeling good, whatever. But I'm okay, guys. I promise you that. So anyway, back to the cookies. This
Sugar
is from Christmas. I got it,
cookies.
but I didn't make it. So I thought this cost us like $1 something, right, Mike?
Almost $2.
That we make it, and it says here that all you need to do is put the whole bag in a container.
All right.
And you add 1 stick of butter, as you can see here, or margarine, but halfway melted, and the rest like that.
Melted
So
up,
I put it in the
melted
microwave for like
up.
20 seconds, and 1 egg.
1 egg. Check.
So if that's all we need, what we gotta do here
Whisk it up.
is whisk it up and mix it together like this. I have one of those like hand electric mixers, but I don't like using it because the flour goes like everywhere.
It
you know what I'm
does.
saying? I hate that. And like it jumps up, so I need like one of those professional ones.
Yeah.
You know which one I'm talking about?
Yeah.
So this is what I'm doing. You see how this is, guys?
Oh yeah.
Because these are just sugar.
No milk needed?
No milk needed.
Wow. Milkless
What it says
cookies.
back here, hold on a second. See, now Michael's he's double guessing. But now Michael's double guessing what I just said. Michael, look. It says there, look. 1 stick of butter.
Yeah.
Okay, softened, not melted. Well, we melted half and half. And 1 egg, right?
Check.
And then it says, put the oven on 375.
Check.
Right? For darker cookies, or 350 for, I said, look, and then drop dough by rounded teaspoonfuls.
So we
See?
got this.
So
we got it.
So we got it.
We got it.
But I'm
we got
mixing.
it.
Hold on a second.
Are you reading the right ingredients or the right
you said
recipe?
yes.
Or the ingredients?
That's the only bag.
Slash recipe?
Michael. Why are you gonna like be messing with me? Look at
I
that.
don't
Look, that's already good. Yes
It's
or
beautiful.
no? Right?
Me
You want to
zoom
put a
in.
bit more butter?
Little
think
more.
we
No,
should.
that's perfect.
Right? I don't think we should. Yeah, but all I'm doing, you see what I'm doing? All I'm doing, you see me, is mixing, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
So what I'm doing at the
I
same
think it's
time,
mixed.
guys, I'm working on my arm. Hold on, hey, you messing with my work? You messing with my workout? I'm making sugar cookies, guys.
Work it out, work it out.
I always tell you guys that I'm not good at like making sweets and stuff like that. That's where my daughter comes in. She was here for the holidays, but she wasn't feeling that good. It went around, that thing. None of us were feeling that great, and no, she went back home. You know, headed to work. You know how it is. But hold on, Michael. Oh, my glasses are here. I want to make sure. So then it says that you take 1 teaspoonful, okay?
Okay.
Like round size. That's what it says in the bag.
Quarter size.
And yeah. So how you gonna drop him? This is gonna be.
That'll work.
What do you think?
Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah,
that'll
but
work.
it's gonna take forever.
We can come back
Well, so then what we can do, we can come back, guys.
and we'll show them all.
And we'll show them all. I'm gonna continue to grab them like this with 1 teaspoonful, like it says here, right?
Yeah.
And then, you know, like that's what it says.
The whole
And
tray's
put it
gonna be
there,
full,
and then
guys.
while I'm doing that, you guys go ahead and like us on Facebook and on Instagram and Twitter. Follow us everywhere that you see us, and hit the notification button. So every time we do something like this, you guys can be notified, and bam, you can be watching us like right away, because we load up right away. We're gonna start loading up right away. It is what, Michael, like January, something like that? January
8th
what?
or
January
7th.
the 78th. What is today?
Maybe 8th.
The 8th? Yeah, no. Today is Monday. It's Monday. The
Yes.
8th.
Yes.
And because last night was that thing, the Golden Globes.
Yes.
Yeah, but anyway, guys, so I see you soon. I'm going to finish putting all the cookies. Look how they're starting to look. And then when we come back, I'm gonna have this filled. We're gonna put it in for 10-15 minutes. When we come back, you're gonna see me putting it in for 10-15 minutes. And then we're gonna come back again and you guys are gonna see me when we take him out. So, see you soon. Thanks for coming back. So it's 2 minutes and 44 seconds left. So I'm off, and then we're gonna take them out because I think they're done.
Wow.
So instead of 12 minutes, I think it was like 10. And these are sugar cookies. I like them like that, a little bit more brown, because they're kind of like more crispy. I can't eat them, but I like to watch the kids when they eat them. You know, like I like to smell that vanilla, fresh smell. I wish I can have some, but that's exactly what's going on with me. I have problems with, what is it, Michael?
IBS.
IBS, and I have to be careful what I eat, because if I eat the wrong things, and
Those cookies are
I
beautiful.
can't eat no flour. There's a lot of people, only by looking at it I know that I'll get sick from it. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe. This is how beautiful they look. Like us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And don't forget to touch the notification button. And thanks for watching. And don't drink and drive. Enjoy the cookies. We love you all. God bless.